Right now here I have X-Ray 30. It has a problem with check engine. When you're driving, the check engine light pop-ups, then it loses power and no acceleration no more. So let me show you right now. See, no matter how you depress the pedal, but nothing. Let me show you. The car is idling, but nothing. You see, nothing. So using my hotel machine, I have detected three crucial code. Number one is P0121, which is a current accelerator position sensor. Number two is P0135, which wants to heated oxygen sensor, bang 1 sensor 1. Then lastly is P0550, one strip, which is power steering pressure sensor. So power steering pressure sensor, that it doesn't affect acceleration, and heated oxygen sensor doesn't affect acceleration, but it affects the consumption. Then the final is P0121. This is the main character, the current one. So the Axel position sensor, when you see this code, the vehicle must have a problem with ECU, power control module, or accelerator pedal. Those are two culprits. So I'm going to buy a new accelerator pedal to install, so that to see if this code P012 will disappear. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. The pedal is being found by two 10 millimeters nuts. So I'm going to unscrew like this. Pass through. That is an accelerator pedal. I hate to burn on the pedal. Oh, this is the new pedal. This. Power steering socket. I found out that the power steering socket has been broken. This is the original socket, so I had to change with the new socket. That was the main problem with power steering sockets. Now we are done with the power steering socket. So next we're going to deal with another code. Was oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor, the problem was corrosion, so I had to replace with a new socket and a new pin. So let me put everything intact, then we see how the vehicle is going to perform. See, right now we have done with three things. The first one we have done with accelerator pedal. The second thing we are done with ST, which is power steering sensor. There was a broken socket. Then finally we have done with oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor had a problem with the same socket, but there was some corrosion on those sockets, so I had to use WD-40 to clean the socket. Then I have to clean the socket. I have also replaced the worn out pins, so every socket is okay. The power steering socket is right now is okay, and oxygen sensor socket is okay. At the same time, accelerator pedal we have replaced, so we need to see how the vehicle is going to perform.